Shurobod, Tajikistan, June 29, 2011. U.S. Ambassador Ken Gross, U.S. Assistant Secretary of State for International Narcotics and Law Enforcement Affairs William Brownfield, and Deputy Chief of Tajikistan's Border Guard Forces Major General Safarali Nazirov traveled to southern Tajikistan to visit a barracks facility at the Border Guard Detachment in Shurobod and to participate in the opening ceremony of the reconstructed border outpost Yakhchi-Pun. These international narcotics and law enforcement affairs funded projects will improve the living conditions of the Tajik border guards who fight on the front lines to reduce the flow of illegal narcotics and enhance the overall security of Tajikistan's border with Afghanistan. The U.S. Embassy's Office of International Narcotics and Law Enforcement spent more than $1 million on the Shurobod Border Guard Detachment and $600,000 on the Yakhchi-Pun border outpost. Reconstruction of the Shurobod Detachment was carried out by Tajikistan's BSK Asia Construction Company. The Yakhchi-Pun border outpost project was built by the LCC Complex Construction Company and administered by the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. The new building in Shurobod was an emergency project requested by the Tajik border guards after the previous barracks had been damaged by floods last summer. Shurobod is unique for being the first border facility in Tajikistan to use a radiant floor heating system. The new facility at Yakhchi-Pun includes a miniature hydroelectric power station and 2 boilers to ensure adequate heating during the winter.
Men and women of the Border Guard Service, I salute you.
As part of its cooperation with the government of Tajikistan, the International Narcotics and Law Enforcement Affairs section has funded the rehabilitation of several other border posts in the Shurobod district, including Hirmanjo, Shogun, Bog, Bokkorak, Yol, and Sarigor. UNODC has been the International Narcotics and Law Enforcement Affairs implementing partner on several of the projects. The Asian Development Bank is the International Narcotics and Law Enforcement Affairs implementing partner on 2 other projects in Badakhshan region at Kolma and Kizil Art. These projects represent the International Narcotics and Law Enforcement Affairs Green Energy Initiative, using solar panels and wind turbines for heating and electricity. The International Narcotics and Law Enforcement Affairs hopes to finish these border crossing point facilities in October. The International Narcotics and Law Enforcement Affairs will continue to assist the Tajik border guards with new facilities, equipment, and training in connection with implementation of the government of Tajikistan's National Border Management Strategy. The United States government is committed to continuing its support and assistance to the Tajik law enforcement community. Since 1992, the U.S. government has provided more than $984 million in assistance programs which enhance law enforcement and security systems, economic growth, democratic institutions, healthcare, and education in Tajikistan.